Meeting you 9 years ago, becoming best friends, and now being married to you have brought me so much joy and happiness, which I cherish every day.
Marriage is a beautiful journey. It is built on love, patience, understanding, and partnership.
Everyone in this room holds such a unique place in our hearts, and we feel incredibly lucky to have our lives and our families integrated so openly and so easily. It's one thing to join a new family, but it's another to feel like you've always belonged, and you've always made me feel that way.
We are so excited, so very, very excited to welcome you into our family.
And finally, Viraj, thank you for being my person. You're my best friend, and you're the person who fills my life with the most joy. You find a way to make even the most ordinary days exciting, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives laughing, smiling, and building our future together.